Welcome to the review of Profitdomain software.
Profitdomain is a brand new GoDaddy killer software.
Step number 1.
Log into Profitdomain and start your own domain shop.
Step number 2.
Get paid every time someone registers a domain and get lowest prices for yourself.
Step number 3.
Monetize your Profitdomain shop further with upsells, ads, affiliate products.
What's up JVs, Radu here on behalf of myself and the entire Profit team. We'd like to say a big thank you for choosing to promote our next blockbuster launch called Profitdomain and going live November 17 on Warrior Plus, of course. Now Profitdomain has never been done before in the Warrior Plus space. It enables anybody, yes, even complete newbies, to create their very own GoDaddy killer. That means a platform where they can sell domains to other people, to their customers, to random people just browsing around the search engines or whatever, and they get rock bottom prices. They just pay the registration fee and they can then upsell the domain for whatever amount they want to other customers. So this is a complete no-brainer. Not only it enables people that buy from you to start their own domain business, they can also use it for themselves to register domains at the most affordable cost that's available online. So it's a win-win-win situation. They have a funnel built from the ground up to make you the most commissions possible. Now, there haven't been any sort of domain registration launches ever before, so it's guaranteed to have high conversions. We have thousands of dollars in JP prizes with multiple contests, and as always, swipes, bonuses, demo video, everything is on this JP page. Reach out to either Mike or myself if you need any help at all, and you bet that we're going to reciprocate big time for you on your next launch. So thanks for checking out Profitdomain. Thanks for signing up to promote our launch. Go ahead right now, grab your affiliate link, and I will see you on the leaderboard come November 17.
Domain is the first ever GoDaddy killer that allows you to sell domains to your users or profit via ads or anything else from your own website. This here is a test app that we've created with Profitdomain. Now, we see a couple of options here. Let's just quickly go through all of them. First, let's put in any domain name. For example, we want to get profitdomain.com. It will instantly get hundreds of options where we can buy different domains for us for different prices that you can set. Next, we have a domain generator that allows you to sell even more domains to your customers. So we can put in as an example profit as a keyword. This generates domains automatically and shares them with your customers to let them buy these domains from you. And we have so much more whois information that allows you to get information from any domain, reverse IP lookup, domain location, and DNS lookup that allows you to get more information from each domain. All of these tools are helpful for your customers. Myself as a product developer, I use all of these on a daily basis. So let's take a look in the backend of Profitdomain and see how you can profit off of this. This is Profitdomain's admin panel that you are going to have full access to. On the left side, we see our support and training pages, which cover everything that you need to make sure that you maximize your use of Profitdomain. Then we have all of these options here that allow you to customize your own website exactly how you wish, with your own logo, with your own name, anything that you want. Including SEO settings, you have a bunch of tools that help you and let you organize your own website. And the most important part, you have ad spots where you can enter ads in 4 different locations on Profitdomain. You can enable them from right here, put in any code you want or just text, and it will pop up directly on your site, and it's the best way to monetize Profitdomain. Over all of the settings that you can use to customize Profitdomain, you can even add your own code inside to make sure that your app is completely unique. You can go as far as to change your header and footer links, change your settings for the domains that you want to sell, manage all of these domains right here. We can see that we have all of the extensions and everything that's important right here, and that includes 28 pages of domains, and we can even add pages. So we can even create your own pages. If you want to create sort of a blog and then link everything back to your own domain, it's all possible within Profitdomain. And the monetization features are everywhere. And with the done for you offers included with your purchase of Profitdomain, buying this app is a no-brainer. So check it out right now and start selling domains exactly like GoDaddy with the click of a button.
Thank you very much for watching the video.